I am Kumari Neha, Department of Botany, RLSY College, Ranchi. Today, I am going to discuss a topic, introduction about restriction enzymes, which is related to BSc Botany Honors Semester 6 students, paper CC14. Gene manipulation is a revolutionary step to understand gene function and its proper uses to correct DNA sequence in a desired fashion. Gene cloning is one such method by which we can introduce gene of interest in a suitable vector system and then introduce that construct in an appropriate cell system to check the yield of manipulated gene sequence. In order to join or cut the large DNA chunk, we need an enzyme that can easily chop the DNA at desired length or at a specific site, and for this purpose, restriction enzymes are used, which sometimes also called as molecular scissors or molecular scalpels. Restriction enzymes are digesting DNA at a specific recognition nucleotide sequence, which is also called recognition site. These restriction enzymes are predominantly isolated from bacteria, and since these enzymes digested within the DNA molecule and hence called as restriction endonucleases. Restriction enzymes were first discovered in 1960s by Arver. However, first functional restriction enzymes was isolated by Nathan and Smith in 1970 from Haemophilus influenza. For the seminal discovery of restriction enzymes, joint Nobel Prize in Psychology and Medicine has been shared by Werner Arver, Daniel Nathan, and Hamilton O. Smith in 1978. Commercially, many DNA digesting enzymes are available that can digest the large DNA molecules into smaller fragments, but most of the time, without any use of these fragments, are haphazardly digested and thus difficult to connect the information in continuation. On contrary, restriction enzymes are digesting DNA only at a specific recognition site, and therefore it is quite manageable and understand the physical length of a DNA fragment within the boundary of two restriction sites. This is not only gives us precise information and sequence of DNA, rather enable us to manipulate the DNA with desired gene of interest. Classification of restrictions enzymes. Restriction enzymes are broadly classified under four categories based on the proximity of the recognition site and cleavage pattern. Furthermore, the restriction enzyme digests DNA double strand by making two incisions in sugar phosphate backbone on each DNA strand. The characteristics feature of type 1 restriction enzyme is the cleave at random site on DNA and that too away from the recognition site. This possesses multi-subunit complex which is 1000 BP away. There are certain cofactors, for instance, S-adenosyl methionine, ATP, and magnesium 2+ ions required for proper functioning of this enzyme. On contrary, type 2 restriction enzyme cleaves the DNA specifically near to the recognition sequence, and it is comprised of many subtypes like type 2G, 2P, and 2S. The peculiarity of type 3 restriction enzyme is it cleaves outside of its recognition sequence and requires two restriction sites in opposite orientation on the same DNA. Moreover, restriction and modified enzymes cut at different location within 25 bp of the recognition site. Finally, type 4 restriction enzymes are only digesting methylated DNA and require magnesium 2 plus ions for proper functioning. Since these enzymes are originated from bacteria and archaebacteria in origin, which enable a protection mechanism against any invading pathogen such as virus. Inside prokaryotes, the restriction enzyme clearly digests foreign DNA, which is called restriction, while host DNA is protected through a modification system by modifying host DNA ends. Nomenclature of restriction endonuclease 2. Till the date, more than 600 functional restriction enzymes are commercially available and over 3,000 restriction enzymes have been studied. These enzymes are originated from bacterial origin. However, their nomenclature is based on the genus, species, and strain with the number in order they are isolated. For instance, ECO R1 and HIND3 are named after genus, species, strain, and number. Overhangs and cleavage frequency of restriction enzymes. Type 2 restriction enzyme is mostly palindromic in nature, which means the reading of sequence from 5' to 3' and 3' to 5' is same. Normally, restriction enzyme produced 5' and 3' overhangs, which is also called sticky or cohesive end. However, sometimes when digestion is in between the equal number of nucleotide, it produces the blunt or staggered end enzymes. Enzyme source organism recognition sequence is 5' is larger than 3'. Special restriction enzyme. Restriction enzymes that have the same recognition sequence as well as the same cleavage site are called isocyclosomers, whereas restriction enzymes that have the same recognition sequence but cleave the DNA at a different site within that sequence are called neocyclosomers. Another type where a pair of restriction enzymes that have slightly different recognition sequence but after cut generates identical stretch is called isocardamers. Application of restriction enzyme. Restriction enzymes have huge application in the manipulation of DNA and gene cloning. There are many shuttles and cloning vectors which is artificially generated, and these restriction enzymes are arranged in the multiple cloning sites or polylinker regions and playing an important role in gene cloning. These restriction enzymes enable gene of interest. Example, insert fragment into the vector with desired restriction enzymes. For instance, to clone and insert into a vector, both vector and insert are digested with the same restriction enzymes. Another use of restriction enzyme is in single nucleotide polymorphism to distinguish gene alleles by single base difference in DNA fragment. Furthermore, restriction enzymes are used to calculate the physical map or distance of DNA fragment in the genome. Moreover, these restriction enzymes can also produce a similar pattern of bands on agarose gel electrophoresis and used in DNA fingerprinting and restriction fragment length polymorphism in case of intraspecific gene characterization where sequence similarity is very high and any mutation or mismatches can be studied. Restriction endonucleases isocyclosomers. A vital use of restriction endonucleases in southern hybridization where genomic or plasmid DNA is digested with either unique or set of restriction enzymes for digestion and digested DNA fragment, then separated on agarose gel electrophoresis, transferred to the positively charged membrane and hybridized with level probe to identify the desired band. Thank you.